Tiro?
What do you mean?
Like this phone?
Hold on. Gee. I mean, boxer. Don't be a bitch. Don't be a bicha. I'm just kidding. Boss. I'm just kidding.
You freaked me out.
What? Yeah. He's not that much anymore.
Just like, let's start or return. Or return.
I know, he pulls in the collar and it chokes him. He pulls in the collar and it chokes him. What? Yeah.
Hey, I think he's getting choked.
Oh, your dog is 70 years old in dog years?
Here, did you want to hold boxer?
Yeah.
Let me see him. Let me see Puchin. Pucho. Let me see him. Let me see him. Oh, hold him like... Wait. Reel him in. Reel your hand in. Reel your hand in. Yeah. Reel him like that.
Don't like boxing.
Let's go walk.
So
Boxer.
Will Putin be boxer?
Yeah, hell yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Boxer. Boxer.
That's because he's mad at Puchin right now.
Boxer.
Hey, wait!
Who's mad at Putin?
Boxer.
Why?
Because I'm holding him.
Boxer.
Better to... Boxer! He's pissed off.
Boxer. Can't see me. Boxer.
Oh, boxer's jealous.
Yeah.
Boxer's watching me.
Want me to get boxer instead?
Yeah, go get
Because I
Boxer.
don't want to pull him.
Get away.
You get him.
Boxer!
You better pay attention.
Boxer was looking at me, so I was like...
Come on, eyes away. He always pees. He just peed.
Let him claim his story.
He just peed right there. Guys in the poop here. Pee here. You see? He pees everywhere. Wait, no!